Good day mga ka-AXS. Update tayo for today, no? December 14, Saturday. Let's proceed first with the AXS. Currently, bumaba presyo yung AXS. It's now on $7.50, 5.08% yung binaba. And moving to our daily bounties. Under Standard Board, Atia 10 points, all good. Classic 35 points, all good. Origins 35 points, all good. Na meron na tayong 480 points for the whole week and estimated earning na 0.13 AXS. And nakakuha na rin tayo ng ticket for Monday. Meron na tayong premiere. So, start ng Monday, makakalaro ulit tayo. So, currently right now, Saturday, wala pa rin tayong access sa premiere. And moving to our staking. Same pa rin yung staking natin, 34.29818. Bumaba nga lang ang presyo niya, which is now $257.36. And meron tayong AXS reclaimable this coming Wednesday na 0.0883642. So yun lang yung update. Follow for more.